What's up guys, John Howell here. Listen, I wanted to do a quick video. I'm on the treadmill right now for my second session for the gym. I'm about to hit some weights and then head out to the spa and the sauna and the pool and all that sort of that home country goodness. But I wanted this quick video for you because I did a video, it's still called, there was a comment on my video saying Bitcoin, there was a comment on the video saying, as soon as John said Bitcoin to zero, that's when I left the video. And I had a bit of a narc at him. If you're watching this right now, you know what? Narco right back at you. But anyway, what I want to say about that is this. The reason why I'm doing this quick video is that one of the biggest mistakes you can make in the markets is thinking you know what's going to happen. Like, seriously? Thinking you know what's going to happen? You know? One of the worst things you can do, right? One of the worst things you can do as an investor or even a trader is be ignorant to what the market is telling you. And right now, what is the market doing? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, all the way down. So don't be ignorant. Don't be thinking, oh, well, it's just a pullback. The market's going to continue up. This is what happens every time, blah, 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 blah. You look for stories to support your story and so on and so forth. Just look at the facts of what it really is. I don't know if Bitcoin's going to go to zero or not. I don't know where Bitcoin's going to go. No one does, right? But what I'm saying is if you are in Bitcoin, it's not a fucking religion, okay? Get over it. It's an investment. Stop thinking Bitcoin's going to make you absolute multi-billionaires when it crashed 60% in 2 months. Seriously? How can you be? Anyway. So what I'm saying there is like, don't be so ignorant around the markets because the market will keep slapping you. There's so many people out there that have bought Bitcoin at 17,000, 15,000, 20,000, and you're still on the hole right now. And it's still heading down. We're still stepping down. And it's still going lower. So don't be ignorant around what you think you know. Like, don't be ignorant around the markets. Don't be ignorant around what you think you know what's going to happen in the markets because you don't. No one does. I said in the video, I think Bitcoin's going to zero. I still think it's going to go to zero, but that's my opinion, right? That's what I think. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, right? No one does. No one knows what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. If you're a Bitcoin maniac, just remember. The fact is this, Bitcoin is not blockchain. Two different things. Alright, so stop thinking you're buying into Bitcoin because you're buying in part of the blockchain because it's a different thing. Again, like, I'm not saying Bitcoin, I don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can go up. All I'm saying right now is that if you're looking at the market and you're looking at the charts, Bitcoin is continuing to go down and down and down overall. It's stepping down. So don't be so ignorant around if you are in Bitcoin thinking you got it right, because this thing could be at 5,000. This thing could make a new low and keep going down and down and down to 1,000. Don't be so ignorant around Bitcoin, because it's right now. There is no reason to be buying Bitcoin where it is right now. The only reason why you try to buy Bitcoin is because you're trying to buy the bottom. Professional traders don't buy bottoms in markets. No, professional traders wait for it to turn around. Then they jump on the trend. They don't say, "Whoa, I'm going to get in now. I'm going to get in before everyone else." So, you know, I guarantee you people did that when it came down to 17,000, 15,000, 12,000, 10,000, 8,000, you know, and 6,000. Oh, look, I bought it at 6,000. You know what I mean? So don't be so ignorant around the markets. Follow along with the markets. Stop listening to bullshit stories out there because it just doesn't work. Follow the market, follow the chart, and follow what that's doing. Stop trying to pick bottoms. This thing may go up to $100,000. I don't know. I still think it's a piece of shit, but you know, who am I? I don't know. But what I am saying, and what I'm saying to you is that don't be so ignorant around Bitcoin, because if it can go down, if it can go from 20,000 down to 6,000 in 2 months, why can't it go from 12,000 down to 1,000 in another month? Do you actually understand what actually happens in these markets? These black markets, so to speak. If you listen to Jordan Belfort, he really explains this quite well. What actually happens? If people say, do your research on Bitcoin. Do you realize why Bitcoin actually hasn't collapsed completely yet? Do you realize that? Why hasn't it collapsed yet? Because they're keeping it up so they can introduce all these other cryptocurrencies in the markets, so you can go jump on that trend as well too, and then the whole thing will collapse. But look what's happening with Bitcoin right now. It is still going down. It's still stepping down. Don't be jumping on this thing. Wait for it to turn around. If it is going to go up, it'll start to create a higher high and a higher low. Then look to get in on that. But do not be buying something when it's going down. Only buy something when it's actually stair-stepping up, and look for a good entry point when it's going up. Don't be looking to try to catch the bottom, because it's like shorting in a bull market. You're gonna leave empty-handed.